Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to contact Elevenlabs support team. So guys, actually it's easy. You can do just follow these steps. For example, scroll down, you find this option. When you scroll down, help center. After that, guys, you have two options. You can search your problem here and you can ask AI chatbot, or you can click this option as you can see here and click as contact us and write here your email address, type your problem, for example, billing, account, or technical problem issue, and click payment or cancel, for example, and click payment and click your subject. For example, added the payment, as you can see here, or I can remove my card, for example, and you guide you here, and this is some suggested pay subject as you can see here, and here write your description and click submit here. For example, you want to delete card or add payment, click submit here, and you will receive email from Elevenlabs to solve your problem. And guys, I hope this video helpful for you.